Ternencener the Tractor. Tom's was waiting at a signal when he noticed a tractor plowing in a field. "Hello," said the tractor. "I'm turning fucking ask," interrupted Tom's. "No one fucking asked for your dumbass opinion. You look like an unfinished mailbox made with fucking Play-Doh. Kill yourself." The signal dropped, and Tom's puffed away. It was winter time on the Isle of Srodo, and Tom's was puffing down the line, pulling his two coaches, Ani and Annie, too. Tom's was playing Angry Birds on his iPhone and wasn't paying attention to his surroundings. His coaches tried warning him, but Tom's was wearing AirPods. When he finally focused on where he was, it was too latte. "Oh no, Smsnai," said Toggle. "I'm still cock." And he was. He tried reversing, but that didn't work. All it did was cause more snow to fall. "Well, this is just great. How am I going to get out of this?" Just then, Tom's heard SpongeBob's walking sound effect. It was Ternencener the Tractor. "Hello," screamed Ternencener. "I see you're stuck." "Oh, please help," wheezed Tom's. "No," said Ternencener, and he waddled away, waddle, till the very next day.